Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you grocery shopping, and for the first time, I am going to a farmer's market in America and also going to an African market. This farmer's market is located in Riverdale, Georgia. When I got here, I was actually really excited because they had a lot of what I needed. Look at, they have plantains, they have lemons. The way they organize the market, it makes it very easy to shop. If you've seen my video, when I went grocery shopping in Nigeria and now shopping here is very different. I really liked the fact that it's very organized here and they have familiar things. This purple potatoes is the one that tastes closest to the one we have in Nigeria. When I came here, I bought the orange ones and I did not like it. So if you're like me that likes potatoes, the purple one is sweeter in my opinion.
What's the extra one? This one.
So they have different sellers in different stalls across the market, as you can see. I did not spend so much time recording, but let's go to the African market. Here we are at the African market. This is called Happy Market. It's an African store. It is located in Riverdale as well, Riverdale, Georgia. When I set my foot in the store, it felt like home instantly. They have yam, they have corn, they have indomie. So yes, you have a lot of things that we have back home in Nigeria. I could find them here. This is regular yam, but they cut it open so you can see if the yam is good or bad, because some people, before they buy yam, they want to make sure that, oh, the yam is not bad, so that's why they do it like that, in case you want that one. Then they have the goat meat, the one with the skin, without the skin. They've packaged it, they cut it and then they package it real nicely over here. I actually prefer buying rice in the African store than the regular stores, because when I first came, I bought rice in the regular store and I didn't like it. This rice is more like what I'm used to. You have gari. This is how they sell the leaves. This is washed bitter leaf. If you want water leaf, it's also here. If you want atama, you can find it in the store as well. Back again to another African store. And this one is called KC Foods. They have a whole lot in this store. You can get frozen leaves, your oziza, your afang or okazi, water leaves, your peppers, you name it, you find them here. Even pots, cooking pots, pans, you can get them here too. Thankfully, they had oat swallow because that's what I usually have most of the time with my soups, and they had just what I wanted at the store. So if you're looking for an African store in Georgia, you could definitely try this one out. Every time I come to this store, I make sure I get this plantain chips, unripe plantain chips. It is so good. I think it was about $5-6. So anyway guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.